Welcome to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring 14 ideas on how to use crystals and pastel colors for decorating your home for spring and summer glams to brighten your living space. We have curated a stunning collection of tips to help you transition your home into a seasonal sanctuary of light and color. If you enjoy these ideas, please make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful designs. Start your spring transformation by placing rose quartz clusters in the center of your dining table. The soft pink hues of the crystal perfectly complement pastel linens and fresh floral arrangements. This natural element adds a touch of earthy elegance while reflecting the gentle morning sunlight. It is an effortless way to introduce both texture and a soothing color palette to your gathering space. Combine the cooling vibes of mint green cushions with the royal sparkle of amethyst geodes. These two colors create a refreshing contrast that feels both modern and sophisticated for the summer months. Place the crystals on a side table next to your mint-themed seating area to catch the light. This pairing brings a balanced energy to any living room or reading nook. Line your windowsills with selenite wands to harness and amplify the bright summer sun. The translucent white nature of selenite mimics the look of glowing ice and pairs beautifully with sheer pastel curtains. As the light passes through, it creates a serene and ethereal atmosphere throughout the room. It is a simple yet high-impact way to enhance the natural lighting of your home. Organize your daily essentials on a tray adorned with lavender quartz points for a touch of glam. Pastel purple tones work wonderfully in bathrooms or bedrooms to create a spa-like retreat. The crystalline structure adds a luxurious feel to your morning routine. This setup keeps your space tidy while serving as a beautiful decorative focal point. Brighten up your sunroom by incorporating citrine crystals alongside peach-colored upholstery. The golden glow of citrine mimics the warmth of the sun and enhances the cheerful peach tones. This combination is ideal for creating a vibrant and welcoming area for afternoon tea. It captures the very essence of summer joy within your interior design. Use aquamarine-colored glassware paired with raw aquamarine stones for a coastal-inspired table setting. The watery blue shades evoke feelings of the ocean and cool summer breezes. Set these against a pale blue tablecloth to deepen the monochromatic pastel theme. Your guests will feel refreshed by the tranquil and cohesive aesthetic of your dining area. Style your bookshelves with multicolored fluorite towers to introduce a rainbow of pastel greens and purples. These crystals act as natural sculptures that break up rows of books with their geometric beauty. Surround them with pastel-bound books or small potted succulents for a curated look. It is a creative way to bring color and interest to often overlooked vertical spaces. Enhance the crispness of white summer linens by adding clear quartz points as decorative weights or accents. The icy clarity of the quartz provides a sharp contrast to soft fabrics like cotton and linen. This look is perfect for a minimalist bedroom seeking a touch of seasonal sparkle. It keeps the environment feeling airy, clean, and filled with positive energy. Incorporate celestite clusters into a baby blue bedroom for a dreamy and peaceful ambience. The soft, sky blue color of the crystal integrates seamlessly with light blue walls and bedding. Placing a cluster on the nightstand provides a focal point that promotes relaxation and rest. This subtle addition elevates the room's glam factor without overwhelming the senses. Create miniature indoor gardens by placing small crystals inside pastel-painted geometric terrariums. Use desert roses or small quartz bits to complement low-maintenance succulents or air plants. These tiny ecosystems bring a bit of the outdoors inside with a glamorous, crystalline twist. They serve as perfect accents for coffee tables or floating wall shelves. Balance the light feel of sage green decor with the grounding presence of smoky quartz. The translucent brown and gray tones of the crystal add depth to the soft pastel green palette. This combination feels sophisticated and organic, perfect for a modern living room setup. Use large smoky quartz chunks as bookends or doorstops for a functional glam touch. Give your kitchen or bathroom a quick summer makeover by replacing standard hardware with crystal knobs. Opt for clear or rose quartz handles to match pastel-painted cabinetry in shades like lemon or mint. This small change provides an instant upgrade and catches the light every time you move. It is a DIY-friendly way to infuse luxury into your daily living spaces. Hang framed agate slices in various pastel shades to create a stunning gallery wall for the season. The natural rings and patterns in the agate provide a captivating visual texture that mimics nature's art. Choose slices in soft pinks, blues, and tans to maintain a light and airy summer vibe. This unique wall decor serves as a great conversation starter for any guest. Use moonstone accents alongside shimmering pastel textiles to create a magical iridescent glow in your home. The pearly sheen of moonstone pairs beautifully with silk or satin pillows in soft lavender or seafoam. This setup reflects the long, lingering light of summer evenings perfectly. We hope these ideas inspire your home makeover, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.